Hey guys, Eric here with Auto Advantage. Quick walk around video of our 2010 Hyundai Santa Fe. So let's get started. 87,000 miles on the vehicle. It's got cruise control, Bluetooth, USB and auxiliary plugins for your phone. Kind of all the options you'd expect: power windows, locks, mirrors, CD, AC. Traction control. Does have front and side curtain airbags. It's equipped with the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. This is the good engine. The next generation 4 cylinders in the Kias and Hyundais says GDI on that engine cover. Those are the engines you want to stay away from. If you do any kind of research online, they're involved in a lot of issues and really hard to find proof of engine replacement. Don't buy one of those without proof of that. But this is a previous generation one, so these engines are much better, more reliable. 28 EPA rating on the highway. Again, only 87,000 miles. Really only issue with this is some minor fading on a couple of the panels. I'll show you. Front bumper, you can see a little bit of fading on the top of the roof there. We have priced it as is without the paint being done. If you want to get it done, we can get you a quote at our wholesale rate. Otherwise, we've done that with a couple of our cars just to provide options for people who are on a tight budget. Alloy wheels, pretty roomy for a small SUV. These back seats fold down. This would be comparable to in size and options with like a Honda CR-V or Toyota RAV4, but your money's going to go further on a Hyundai Kia, so a good option for anybody on a budget. It's got a rear 12-volt outlet as well. Roof rack, a little bit of fading again on the back of the bumper, but overall, body's straight. Interior's very clean. As you can see, headliner's in good shape. Seats are all clean. Got another 12-volt outlet in the back for your passengers. And these seats do fold flat, 60-40 split. It's got a 6-speed automatic with a manual shift mode. Really only damage on the interior to disclose would be this minor cracking on the center armrest, but otherwise very clean car. It does have the owner's manuals. So you can reach us at 760-280-7648, call or text, or you can visit us at ibuycleancars.com. The car does come with a warranty included. Financing's available. We do take trade-ins, and you can check us out on Yelp. We have an excellent rating from our customers, 4.7 out of 5 stars. Thank you, and look forward to hearing from you.